everybody, John here. As I said in our last video, I got some pretty awesome Christmas presents and I wanted to share them with you folks, if nothing else, so you could see the fit and finish and maybe get my unbiased opinion. We are here in central Connecticut and it's actually pretty cold here in the winter. You know, it's often 20 degrees here in the dead of winter. It's New Year's Eve, so 31st of December today, and actually blessed, I'm just able to wear a vest and a sweatshirt today. One of the things that I wanted to do is get the thermal blanket for the Yoder to kind of stretch that pellet usage and maybe even out those temperatures. Now, it's pretty expensive, and I think you got to buy an awful lot of pellets to make that ROI really a reality. But if nothing else, it just makes the smoker look really cool. And you know, if it helps with evening out the temperatures, then it's probably worth it. You know, maybe not just so much from a dollars and cents, but for more consistency aspect. So anyway, I have it here. I didn't take it out of the box yet. I thought maybe I'd just take it out. Probably going to fumble through it, be all thumbs, get it on the Yoder and have you take a look and see what it looks like and maybe how hard it was for me to get it on. This is pretty cool. So what I didn't realize is not only does it kind of, you know, look a little bit like a flak jacket there, but it's got some insulation, some silver there. Looks like the front for sure. Let's see. This probably goes, I have no idea. It comes with some instructions. And it does not. Let's see. Looks about right. Pretty cool little interlocking tabs here, twisters. Let's see, rack. There's some tabs here that hook in. Oh boy. Let's get the little hole in case you have your thermometer there. I actually have the thermometer, never put it on. And it's pretty nice. So it's hinged in the back here, so it opens up pretty easily. These clips hold it in place. Wow. I really like the craftsmanship on this. I mean, it's no joke. It's definitely insulated. I know I read a lot of stuff online where, you know, people are saying that they got welding blankets and just threw that over the top of their Yoder. Kind of didn't really like the idea of that. Certainly being this close to the vehicles and the garage, definitely anything that, you know, potentially could go wrong there with a homemade solution. Probably wasn't willing to do, but the fact that this has got that insulation there, I bet it's going to work out great. So I got to test it out. I'm going to do some wings for New Year's Eve, and we'll see how well it does on pellet consumption and I'll run a graph on the FireBoard and see how well the temperature stays even. All right. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this. It probably was fairly entertaining watching me throw this thing on completely, without knowing how to do it, and running around the thing, dropping it in the background. It's been pretty fun. So, anyway, we'll see you next time.